Alright guys, so this is the Apple Watch SE. So I have the Apple Watch SE in silver aluminum case with the blue sports band, and this is the 44mm one. I still have my birthday nails on. This is cute. Has all the different bands. Love that. Now for the Apple Watch itself, we have the Apple Watch and then we have the blue band. So you guys know that I'm a pink person. Blue is not my go-to color, but that's alright because I did order some accessories. So again, this is the SE silver aluminum in 44mm. And how do you open this? Apple, just the regular Apple stuff we have here, and then we have this is the charger. Very fancy considering that I've never had an Apple Watch before, so I need to see how this works. Oh, this is so cool. How do you open this? Okay, just slip that out. Nice. So I think I'll need a USB-C. And this, guys, is the Apple Watch. Wait, I shouldn't take the cover off. I have something for that, but we got silver aluminum instead. But you guys know that everything I have is like rose gold. And I'll open the band and show you guys. There we go. Alright, so here it is, the famous blue band. Oh, I didn't know it had two different sizings. So you have small and medium, and then medium to large. And then this, I think, is just the other side you connect it with. So now let's open the accessories that I got. So the first thing I got is like a screen protector to put the Apple Watch in. Then I got the band. And both are from Amazon. I will link it down below. So we have it in 3 colors. We got it in this clear one, this rose gold one, which is what I'll be using, and then this black. Biggest. But so now let's put this on. Thing is, I don't know how to put this on. There we go. Now let's put on the band. Okay, what? Oh, there we go. Alright. Alright guys, so I managed to get, oh my god, it's stuck. Okay, so I managed to get it out again. It's these two little like black buttons that you're supposed to press. It's kind of hard to see, but you're supposed to press it when taking the bands out. Anyways, I'm gonna put this back again. The bands have this design. It has these nice, like, I guess sunflower designs on it. Same with this one. This one's a bit corny because it says sunshine. Whatever. Okay, so right now I have my watch on, but it's not turning on. Okay guys, so I connected the charger. Now let's charge this. Oh my god, there it is. Finally. Guys, so I finally got my watch to charge. There we go. Continue. Set up for myself. We're finally done the update, which took so long. Now it says your Apple Watch, it's paired. Let's go set up Apple Watch. Obviously right, because I am left-handed, so it'll be easier for me to, like, you know. So now it's asking me the app view. Obviously I like this grid view because it looks a lot better, and I think I already know the widgets by heart. So Apple Watch is syncing. Alright guys, so my Apple Watch is finally ready. Alright guys, so now I'm finally done the setup and everything. It's actually been a few days later, but I want to show you my lock screen. So it's just this image I found off of Pinterest. And then my band, as you can tell, is the same. Haven't changed it, and I also have this rose gold frame around it as the screen protector. And what's cool about the lock screen is it changes every time. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So you can also do it by holding that and adding a new face. You go to face gallery, photos. You select the photos you want. Do my birthday pics. This one, set as current watch face. And there you go, that's me. How iconic. So, first app I downloaded is called Waterminder. This tracks how much water you drink. So basically you have to manually put the amount in. So just say you drink 250 milliliters of water. Just press it. And then it just fills it. Or like 500. See? Okay, this is basically a game I downloaded in case I get bored, especially at work. It's called Watch Pet. And this is my cat. His name is Boo. Just like my real life cat, Boo. So right now I think I need to feed him because he's hungry. Bro, I want to feed Boo. Okay, never mind. He's drinking water. I'll feed him. Hi, baby. So cute. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, he's playing. Let's go to, this is my favorite game. It's called Happy Rise, and it's kind of like Flappy Bird, if you guys remember Flappy Bird. Okay, this one's hard. Okay, so far so good. Oh my, I think that's all I downloaded. But those are the apps I have right now. I also have Spotify. I use this bedtime app. I like to track my sleep now with this app. It's pretty cool. I use a fitness app obviously for like when I go to the gym. How cool. This is a sensor. But yeah guys, so that's all for what's on my Apple Watch SE. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.